must have also drunk those boxed juices available in the markets many times, which are sold as 100% fruit juice in the market. But are they really made from fruits? Have these big companies just fooled you with yellow chemicals? So let's find out what is the truth behind this and show you how these boxed juices are prepared. So, to prepare the juice in the factory, first, large machines take water and heat it, and then a lot of corn flour is added to it. Yes, the most essential ingredient for making juice here is corn flour. After thoroughly dissolving the corn flour in the water, it is sent to another machine. Here, you can see that our mixture of water and corn flour is ready. Now, another tank is filled with a large amount of water again, and the corn flour mixture is added to it. Now, hot water is again poured into the machine, and after adding the water, it's time for the fruit mix, which is brought from another factory. These come in large chemical-filled drums. Let me tell you, these can last like this for up to 2 years without spoiling at all. So you can imagine how many preservatives and chemicals are in them. 2 types of mango pulp are now added to the machine along with the water. This machine will thoroughly mix all the ingredients and prepare the mixture. Once our water and mango pulp mixture is ready, it is sent to mix with the corn flour mixture. Now, both the corn flour and fruit pulp have arrived here. Once these two are mixed well, it's time to add color, because if it doesn't look appealing, no one will drink it. So, a lot of color is added to the machine. After the color, it's time to add chemicals. 1 or 2 chemicals are mixed with it, and after preparing this mixture well, it is also sent to mix with our fruit pulp and corn flour mixture. After thoroughly mixing all 3 ingredients with water, it's time to prepare the syrup. Because if the juice isn't sweet, no one will drink it. To prepare the syrup, sugar is first added to the machine, followed by a lot of water. The mixture of water and sugar is cooked well to prepare the syrup. The syrup is prepared by heating it to around 200 degrees. Now, this syrup will also be mixed with our colored, fruity and corn flour mixture. Here, our fruit juice is now ready. Now comes the time to pack it. First, the box sheets are fed into the machine. These sheets rotate inside the machine and move forward to come out. Here, you can see that the sheets are placed upside down because the juice will be filled from the inside. The machine automatically rolls them and sends them downward while continuously filling them with juice. After filling the juice, this machine has 2 large forks. See them? Their job is to cut these boxes. So, they keep cutting the boxes one by one and sending them forward. In this way, our box juices are prepared by giving them a proper square shape from the bottom. Now, any box juice without a straw is incomplete. So first, these boxed juices are rotated well in the machine and sent to another belt, moving them forward. After sending them forward on the conveyor belt, it's time to attach the straws. For this, the boxes keep moving forward one by one, and on the other side, straws are fed into the machine. The straw packets are also fed into the machine one by one. This machine automatically separates each straw and sticks it to our box juice. That's why, bro, every box comes with a free straw so you can enjoy it properly. All these boxes are packed one by one into a large box and sent to your homes.